Hey guys, before this video begins, I just want to let you all know, this was recorded before quarantine started, okay? So there was no social distancing, nobody even knew about the coronavirus. This was back in winter. You can tell because there's frost on my breath and stuff. I would have put that in the comment section or the description of this video, but I know no one's looking there. So I just made this video beforehand, so yeah. But yeah, I don't want to take away too much from the video, so we're just gonna let it play. So, let's go.
Hey, Jake, are you awake?
What do you want?
Are you ready for the shoot today?
What shoot?
You know, the nature documentary?
What are you Oh no! Well, hello there, world, and welcome to the best gosh darn nature show you've ever seen. Let's get started, shall we? This right here that I'm standing on is called a rock. Well, actually, it's a couple of rocks. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3. This here is called a river. It's a scary thing to be sucked into. If you ever see a river, remember that they are always trying to consume your immortal soul, and you should always back away.
Then why are you standing so close?
I lost my soul a long time ago. This is grass.
No, really?
Yes, really! This specific grass is known as African wildgrass. When I went to Africa a few years ago to visit all of the kangaroos, I brought back some with me because I thought it looked pretty cool. It's actually indigenous to Africa, and if you bring it somewhere else, it's an invasive species. Whoopsie! I accidentally buried my entire house with grass! 45, 46, 47, 48. Do my eyes deceive me, or is that a fish? Hey! No, up here! Help. Be careful in this here tall grass. If you're not prepared, you could be attacked by a wild Pokemon. Look! That's a weird looking Pikachu. 304, 305, 306. Let's catch the fish. Now we wait. Even though my house got buried with grass and I lost all of my possessions, I'm still thinking positive. I rented a room from an Airbnb, and now I live in it. I'm not allowed anywhere else in the house. I have to enter and exit through the window. I hate living. Can you, like, get a ladder or something, please? This here is called a sewer drain. This is actually the home of a very nice clown named Pennywise. He once tried to bite off my arm and consume my sisters, but we've made amends. I feed him a baby pig every week, and he's fine. 1,468, 1,469, crap, where was I? Oh well, guess I just have to restart. 1, 2...
That's it. I'm done.
Wait, no. I'm singing. I'm in a tree and I'm singing. I miss my cats. Now that I successfully caught a fire Pikachu. Ah! I'm gonna train it until it becomes a giant fire Pikachu. 12,568, 12,569, 12,570. I did it! I'm done! I haven't eaten in a week. Why, cruel world? Why? Well, guys, that's the end for now. I'm being dragged to my inevitable doom by Pennywise the Clown. So, until next time, bye! Even though my house got buried with grass and I lost